I know back in the day, the Animoto videos, we would just, pump them out one after another, not on Amazon,
Yeah,
but just
and
for
they
social
worked
media.
amazing. Yeah,
Yeah. And, there's nothing wrong
yeah,
with that.
yeah,
It's got its place. But with Amazon, it's just like the packaging, it's like listing optimization. It's about authority and trust. And if people can take a look at your quality images and you have some crappy video on there, they're going to take a look at that and it could bring the perceived value down. And if you can't keep that trust, they could click off very easy. So by putting a really nice video with features, benefits, it could be ingredients, it could be use, you build that trust. So it's an important element for listing optimization, in my view, anyways.
absolutely. I think when somebody sees those videos and they're just super low quality, they're saying, well, are these people really gonna, are they really vested in this product, or how is if something goes wrong, how are they going to take care of me, and is this thing just going to fall apart when I open the box, kind of thing. So um, the more you can actually portray quality and show that you care about the product itself, the more and the buyer actually, then I think the better you're going to do, the better your video is going to convert. So, and that doesn't always, and there are some exceptions. Testimonials. I think real testimonials from real customers, you should never be really super highly polished, because nobody's really going to go into a studio and give a testimonial for somebody on just a regular Amazon product or something. So when a lot of I see a lot of sellers going out and actually buying kind of these testimonials from people. So I would say just regular cell phone videos are the best,
Right.
the best for a testimonial. The only exception I would say was, like I was mentioning, like the market review videos, because that's almost more like we're going out, man on the street, person on the street, and asking them questions about, having them try the product, and asking them questions about it. And those are, those have pretty high production value, but people
Right.
still understand that these are real people that are trying the product out, and that's really the main message you want to do with a testimonial type thing.
But there's a time and a place for that. So when people see a
Mm-hmm.
polished testimonial, like let's say that you go out there and do the marketplace reviews, they know it. So but they know
Yeah.
it's a real, their real feelings. When people go out and test out a product and say they do an unboxing video and they're shooting it with their iPhone, absolutely perfect. You can have a crappy video and it's real. People know it's
Yeah.
coming from that person. So there again, there's a time and a place.